Welcome back. Let's do question 9b. In the diagram alongside A, B, D, and the origin lie on the circle with center C. In question 9a, we managed to find that the coordinates of C are -3 and 4, and also we found that the radius of this circle is 5 units. Alright, the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y is equal to 0. Then the equation of the line AB, this is the line AB, is x minus 2y plus 21 is equal to 0. So we're asked to find the coordinates of A and B. And then if you check, A and B are the points of intersection of the circle in the line AB. So we can solve for A and B simultaneously using our equation of the circle and the equation of the line AB. Okay, from the equation of the line AB, we can isolate x. We can say x is equal to 2y minus 21. Let's call it equation 3, right? And then in equation 1, where there's x, we can put 2y minus 21. And then here where there's x, we can put 2y minus 21. So it becomes 2y minus 21 squared plus y squared plus 6 times 2y minus 21 minus 8y is equal to 0. Right, this is a square binomial. It is very easy to find the product of a square binomial. You square this, the first term becomes 4y squared. Then say 2 times 2y times negative 21. So 2 times 2y is 4y, 4y times negative 21, that is negative 84y. Then you square negative 21, you get your positive 441. Let me show you how you can do it using the FOIL method. You can say 2y minus 21 times 2y minus 21. This is 2y minus 21 squared. So you can say 2y times 2y, which is 4y squared. Then 2y times negative 21, which is negative 42y. Then negative 21 times 2y, negative 42y. Then negative 21 times negative 21 is positive 441. Then this will give you negative 84y, which is just the same as this. Okay? And then plus y squared. And then plus, we're distributing 6 here, becomes plus 12y minus 126 minus 8y is equal to 0. Okay, let's deal with like terms. We have 4y squared plus y squared, which is 5y squared. We have negative 84y plus 12y minus 8y. Negative 84 plus 12, that is negative 72. Negative 72 minus 8y, that is negative 80. Negative 80y. And then we have the constants. 441 minus 126, that is positive 315 is equal to 0. Okay, then we can divide everything by 5 here so that we can simplify our standard form of the quadratic trinomial. So divide everything by 5. You get y squared minus 16y plus 63 is equal to 0. Then we can factorize here. If you fail to factorize, you can use even the quadratic formula. But now we can get the factors of 63 that can give us negative 16. Positive 63 means that the two factors must have the same sign. And the negative 16 here means that the two factors are actually having the same sign, which is negative. So if you have 7 and 9, negative 7 and negative 9, these two can give us positive 63 if we multiply them, and negative 16 if we add them. So we have our two brackets, and then we have y minus 7, y minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 7 or y is equal to 9. Right, makes sense, meaning that the y coordinate of A can be 9, and then the y coordinate of B can be 7 because B is lower than A. Right, and then let's find the x coordinates. So we have our equation 3 here. We can use this one. So x is equal to 2y minus 21. So if y is 7, x is equal to 2 times 7 minus 21. And then you get that x is equal to negative 7. If y is 9, you get x is equal to 2 times 9 minus 21. Then they get that x is equal to negative 3. So it means the coordinates of B should be the one with 7. 7 goes with negative 7. So it's negative 7, 7. And then A should be y value for A should be 9. Then 9 goes with 3. So it's negative, x is negative 3. So it's negative 3, 9. So these are the coordinates of B. These are the coordinates of A.